During the Paleolithic era, human beings traveled in bands of 10 to 20, hunting animals and also gathering vegetation for their nutritional needs. Men and women worked together in an egalitarian society to gather food for survival. Around 10,000 BCE begins the Neolithic Era, which literally means the new Stone Age. We see a transformation where human tools evolve to support agriculture, the cultivation of vegetation. Another significant feature of the Neolithic Era is the growth of large populations. A method of cutting brush and burning it to fertilize fields came into wide use. This is called slash and burn agriculture. Bountiful harvests began to transform Neolithic villages into early towns. Food crops such as wheat and barley originated in Southwest Asia. In East Asia, rice, millet, and soybeans were the primary staples for agriculture. The longer agriculture was practiced and spread, the more populations grew and grew. In 3000 BCE, the human population on this planet was around 4 million, 2000 BC, 27 million, 1000 BCE, 50 million, and by 500 BCE, 100 million human beings populated this planet. A drawback to slash and burn agriculture was the eventual loss in fertility of the fields, as the nutrients were absorbed by the plants that were growing in them. Formerly fertile farmland had to be abandoned in order to find new fodder for fertilization with the slash and burn method. As human beings who used slash and burn agriculture migrated, they spread the practice with them. Animals which had previously been wild were captured and domesticated. For example, sheep, goats, pigs, cattle, chickens, and water buffalo. The excess of food led to the specialization of labor and the accumulation of wealth, which effectively ended an egalitarian society. People who were more successful at farming and raising domesticated animals accumulated more wealth than their neighbors. They also often found themselves in leadership roles. As humans accumulated wealth, they transformed their environment to demonstrate their status. For example, jewelry, trade goods, and different housing. In order to protect the wealth of those who were successful in agricultural practices, small towns began to develop into more sophisticated systems, the precursors to governments. Large population centers such as Jericho numbered as many as 2,000. They developed sophisticated labor specialization, export products, and social organization, which developed into first true cities. As cities began to compete with each other, we will see the birth of the city-state and the empires that are the precursors to modern civilization.